Hello, entrepreneurs and beverage enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're sealing the deal with the top 5 cup sealing machines of 2023. Whether you're running a bustling bubble tea shop, a coffee kiosk, or simply want to keep your beverages fresh and spill-free, these cup sealers are game changers. We've scoured the market to bring you the latest innovations in cup sealing technology. From speed demons to compact marvels, links to these fantastic machines can be found in the description below. But before we start sealing, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more insights into the world of business and beverage tech. Let's seal the deal together. Starting at number 5, YLINLEY JM C9 Cup Sealing Machine. The YLINLEY JM C9 Cup Sealing Machine is a compact and efficient solution for sealing cups, perfect for smaller drink businesses or limited workspace. Constructed from durable sheet metal, it's built to withstand daily use and ensure longevity. With a power supply of 220 volt 50 Hz and 315 dOD, this machine offers a sealing capacity of 400 to 500 cups per hour. It accommodates cups with diameters of 88 millimeters, 89 millimeters, 90 millimeters, and 95 millimeters and heights ranging from 118 centimeters. However, please note that it cannot seal PET plastic cups. Operating this machine is straightforward. Simply turn it on, wait for a few minutes for the temperature to stabilize, and you're ready to seal. Its simplicity makes it suitable for beginners. If you're running a small beverage business or need a backup cup sealer, the YLINLEY JM C9 is a practical and cost-effective choice. At number 4, VEVER Cup Sealing Machine. The VEVER Cup Sealing Machine is a robust and efficient device designed to meet the sealing needs of businesses serving a variety of beverages. Built with a heavy-duty carbon steel structure, this machine ensures durability and reliability, even in a bustling environment. Its rubberized feet provide stability and prevent slippage during operation. With a sealing capacity of 300 to 500 cups per hour, it's a valuable addition to any drink establishment. The manual control lever offers agile operation, allowing you to seal cups with ease. This sealer is compatible with 95 millimeters PP, PE, and PET cups, with an inner diameter requirement of less than 88 millimeters. The adjustable cup tray caters to cups of different heights, making it versatile for various drink types. Whether you're serving milk tea, coffee, smoothies, or other beverages, the VEVER Cup Sealing Machine is a dependable choice that ensures your drinks stay sealed and fresh. At number 3, YLINLEY Cup Sealing Machine. The YLINLEY Cup Sealing Machine is all about speed and efficiency. With the capability to seal 400 to 600 cups of milk tea per hour, it's perfect for handling various levels of customer traffic. This machine is incredibly versatile, accommodating both plastic and paper cups with diameters of 95 millimeters and heights ranging from 120 centimeters. Whether you serve hot coffee, smoothies, or iced tea, this sealer has you covered. Its intelligent control panel, complete with LED indicator lights and touch button design, makes operation a breeze. The microcomputer operating system ensures a consistent temperature for sealing. What's more, this machine operates quietly, creating a comfortable working environment while improving efficiency. The bearing roll film and high-quality lift shaft design contribute to its low noise levels. If you're running a beverage shop, restaurant, or factory and need a fast and reliable cup sealer, the YLINLEY Cup Sealing Machine is a smart choice to keep the drinks flowing smoothly. At number 2, TAA Cup Sealing Machine. The TAA Cup Sealing Machine is a compact yet efficient solution for businesses looking to seal cups quickly and effectively. With dimensions of 250 x 392 x 530 m, it fits well in various setups. This machine operates at 220 volt and 350 watt, delivering a sealing capacity of 540 to 760 cups per hour. This level of productivity is great for small to medium-sized drink establishments. It's compatible with 95 millimeters cups and can seal cups up to 20 centimeters in height, providing flexibility for different cup sizes and drink types. The TAA Cup Sealing Machine features simple manual operation, making it user-friendly even for those new to cup sealing. It's a reliable choice for sealing plastic and paper cups. For businesses with moderate cup sealing needs, the TAA Cup Sealing Machine offers a cost-effective and practical solution. At number 1, VEVER Y680 Cup Sealing Machine. The VEVER Y680 Cup Sealing Machine is a game-changer for businesses that serve beverages in cups. With a sealing output of 300 to 500 cups per hour, this machine ensures efficient sealing, so you can keep up with demand during busy hours. One of its standout features is the semi-automatic control, which includes an electric laser eye to track the film's position for precise sealing. You can manually adjust the sealing time and temperature to suit different cup types, guaranteeing customer satisfaction and preventing complaints. This machine is compatible with 95 mm PP, PE, and PET cups, making it versatile for various drinks. It even accommodates different cup heights with an adjustable cup tray. Constructed with heavy-duty carbon steel, it's built to last, resisting corrosion and rust. Plus, it operates quietly, creating a comfortable environment. Whether you run a milk tea shop, a smoothie joint, or a beverage factory, the VEVER Y680 Cup Sealing Machine is a reliable and efficient choice that can boost your productivity. Thank you for watching our product review video. We hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed the content, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more product reviews and recommendations.